we are actually on the Sunseeker 82, and I used to work for Sunseeker, so we got a sneak peek onto this beautiful yacht. They're only allowing brokers to go on with the brokers, so we had a little special treat, but it really is. I've been on a lot of Sunseekers, anywhere from 55 feet to 110 feet or whatever, and this one doesn't feel like it's 82. The volume is just enormous. And I mean, again, just looking at the galley, I like that you have a little bar here. I like how it opens up to the bow. You've got dining for 8 and just an expansive galley. I mean, it really, talk about food prep. Give you the rougher idea here. So really a beautiful, beautiful, and again, more space here. You can lay out more food. So really, really well designed, I must say.
Now I'll take you down into the crew in the engine room. Then as we move forward, I really like these really high gunnels and rails. Wow. Wow. So what they've really done is maximize the interior space by having a very shallow bow area. This is amazing, but this is cool. Quick step up. We can see we have a single windlass here. Tie downs there. Bunch of storage lockers below my feet. Just really nice seating area all together. We have carbon fiber supports for the Italian shade. Very nice. We'll take a quick peek through here. Not yet, just teasing you. Now we're going to go back around. We have our sink, ice maker, storage, more storage. Come back. Again, super wide, comfortable walkway. Entrance inside. Here we have docking station. Storage. Fire suppression information. So nice. This cockpit is beautiful. I like that there's a little space behind the sofa. Come over onto this side. We're going to have storage all along here. And a sink. Wow. Now let's go up. Wow. Okay.
The upper aft deck feels like it belongs on a much larger boat. First to starboard, you have the barbecue and prep bar. And then look at all this space for entertaining to aft. 2 settees, each with an adjustable table, and all of which is covered by the retractable overhead shade. Now turning around, we can see just how much the interior and exterior of the upper deck seamlessly become one as we pass through the massive sliding door entry. To port, we have a day head with a sink and electric head. This will save you and your guests from having to go up and down the stairs when you're watching the game on this large TV from the comfort of this L-shaped sofa. Allie and I both love this space.
Yeah, I love how they opened
Yeah,
wide
I love
open.
that. Really gives you just an extra living space.
Oh, huge.
Moving forward, we can check out the only helm station. Check out all the operational specs at the end. From here, we can exit to port to find docking controls as we make our way to the forward upper deck.
We have, oh geez, did not expect this. A hot tub with a lounge on this side and a chair on that side. As I come around. Unbelievable. I do like how they kind of shortened the bow area. So there's not a lot of, I mean, there's great space there, but it really maximizes the space inside.
Next up, let's check out the accommodations.
Now we'll take the interior stairs down into the salon. Here they have side door. We will go down and check out the interior.
As we turn aft, we find the full beam primary suite. There's a large makeup desk to starboard with a huge window.
We have a desk.
The suite features a large king-size berth with a TV mounted on the wall across from the foot of the bed. And there is plenty of storage throughout this room.
Storage. More storage all along. Coming over here, we have hanging lockers. Hanging lockers, hello. Great big dual vanity. Nice marble lined shower. Electric toilet. And again, the vanity. More storage here. If I open this up, ooh, big closet, big hanging locker. Then from here, we can head forward. We have side-by-side cabin en-suites. So, again, toilet, hanging locker. This has 2 single beds. They can be brought together. Then across the hall, we have basically a mirrored cabin. In this case, though, it's just 1 bed. Same ensuite. And hanging lockers. Little storage. And TV. And then finally, we can make our way back to the VIP, I think. Yep. Here we have your toilet, vanity, overhead shower. Walking in, we have a hanging locker. We have a mirror to this side, lots of counter space, big elevated bed, nice ceiling light. I can walk around this way. We have more storage down below and a TV on the wall. Again, more storage down below. Really nice. Oh. Beautiful. Then we have a bar for 3. Another door to outside. Wine cooler. Storage. Could be a little bit bigger sink. Cooktop, oven. Again, lots of storage above. Microwave. More storage than we have in our apartment. Then of course we have seating for 8. Beautiful. And then a nice built-in refrigerator freezer. Pretty.
Kudos to Sunseeker for designing such an amazing 82-foot yacht. We hope you liked this tour, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. We have more tours from the Miami International Boat Show coming up in the following episodes. Thanks again for watching and for your support. See you next time.